Hey guys, so today I am playing Bubblegum Simulator. I can't upload my other video of it, but I did make another video. And this guy's like, "You're not a YouTuber," and I looked it up and it's not there. And I was like, "There's a space between Gymnast and Amaze," and then he looked it up. And then he was like, "Oh," and then he left the server. And I just laughed. I was like, "Oh my god." So, yeah. I'm gonna ask people to follow me since I'm a YouTuber, and it would be totally unfair if I accept requests. One people I'm gonna accept requests for are people that I YouTube with, which one of them is Lori1029, and the other one is OtterLover1937. I forgot the letters, but if I'm wrong, I am so sorry. So yeah, I'm gonna ask everybody. Hey guys, will you guys follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel? I'm videoing right now. Ugh. Oh yeah, these are my blows, how big they are. I have grape gum now. This guy said he would, so this is Brownie 1192. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure this video just started over. So honestly, I got this fan, and then we kept telling each other I got 2,000 bubble power. I have grape gum. This is my avatar. Yeah. So yeah. No, I almost killed Doodoo. Whatever his name. Why that name? Please someone tell me why. Oh yeah, also I have my cat next to me. She's never next to me, so yeah, and tomorrow she has a vet appointment, so for her ear, because her ear, she has this weird stuff, and I feel so bad for her. Yeah, I am sad the video ended, so. She keeps killing me, so I'm saying again. make this video like 6 minutes long so that I can play another game. So yeah. First of all, I bubbled her, and I'm like, no. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please hit the post notifications, subscribe, like this video, and also follow my username right up here, GymnastAmaze1663, and follow me. So yeah, my goal is 1K subscribers, 1K followers, and yeah, so I hope you all follow me and join the gymnast squad. So yeah, bye.